Hi there, I'm Carlos Medina from Bolivia. So I want to start this by sharing two experiences from professional development. The first one is about becoming more dexterous at exploring the environment. So at the beginning, this outside project was very hard because it had an structure that was not familiar for me. So it took a lot of time to realize how the modules and JS scripts were related. So with time and effort, so I got it. The second experience is about become more efficient at applying your innate curiosity and creativity. So I like a lot individual activities in which students were expected to add some functionalities to the website. So I chose adding a search bar to the header. So as you can see here in the search bar, so I added a functionality to filter the products by name or by brand or category. For example, if I entered this search criteria, North all the products of the brand North Face are rendered. So now I will continue with the final project. So as you can see, this project is about a food planner and health guide web app. So about JavaScript, I used a map method to loop through the JSON file that I got from the servers I work with, and I also used an event listener to get data from the user, and I will show you this. Here, when you add a search criteria like peas for example, the data provided from the server is rendered with a map function here, and so I get a lot of results. If we click on peas green raw, so we get the nutritional effects of this food. In this other section of the website, the user can add some personal data, and starting from this data, the daily required intake of carbohydrate, proteins, fiber and fat are calculated and provided. So for example, I added my personal data, and when I clicked on the calculate daily required intake, so the add event listener will take this data and will call functions that I wrote to calculate the information that I talked about. So here you have this information. I have used two APIs. The first one is the Food Data Center from USDA. I got the nutritional facts for a very large database of foods. The second is Foodish, third party API, that provides a random photo from 8 categories of food. Here in this section of Get Help with Meals, you can be see this, You can see this, sorry. So if I click on any section, I will get a random foot about that section. So that's the result. So about CSS, I added animations that add border when I hover these sections. I added other animation that changes the color of the list element when I hover over them. When another animation, sorry, another effect is that when the user focus on this input element, a shadow is added. So these are the main functions and elements of my project. Thank you for watching.